What's new and exciting, guys? Welcome back to Nick.TV. Today, the day has finally come. My truck parts have arrived. I got 4 giant boxes of parts. I have no idea what's inside any of them, and so I'm going to rip them all open today, and we're going to see what parts are going into my truck and the big project I've got ahead with that. So stay tuned and see me rip all these boxes open, and I'll tell you a little bit more about what's going on with my truck. All the parts for my new build came from Summit Racing. Oh, this is so exciting. I've literally been waiting for this forever. Oh, got some stickers right off the bat. That's nice. Summit Racing. Invoice. That's a packaging wrap. What do we got here? That's for my AFM delete, I'm pretty sure there. Getting rid of the active fuel management so the truck won't go into 4-cylinder mode every time I drive it. That sounds like head bolts. Oh, some more bolts or something. There's a big one. See what's in here. Ooh. Another invoice. Oh, holy crap, that's a thick invoice. A lot of parts I bought there. Truck part magazine. Definitely need that. Oh yeah. Get this out of the way. There's my new cam. It's a Performance LS truck cam. This guy says rocker, so rocker arms on there. What do we have here? A busted box. Steamline kit. The Steamline kit helps keep the top of the engine block a little bit cooler. Nice cylinder head gaskets. Those are really nice. Okay, well that's what was rattling around in the box there. I still can't believe those are all over the frickin' box. Holy. Is this box sideways? Oh, it looks like it's 2 boxes together. Look at this, 2 boxes taped together. All right, we'll figure out what's in this crazy box. Or combination of boxes. Holy, all that for 2 little boxes inside. I'm gonna take a wild guess that those are my cylinder heads. And for the last box, wow, that's a weird box. Definitely the weirdest box in this lot. They're all pretty weird, but this is pretty special. Ta-da! Nice. Now that's an air intake manifold if I ever seen one. My truck will be breathing better with that. Holy. 102 millimeter big mouth throttle body. Nice. Considering how much money I spent for this order, I'd say that's fairly unacceptable to have all those parts everywhere. Shit happens, I guess. Let's get into unboxing all of these now. Good idea to pick up my knife off the floor. Yes, another box inside of another box. Oh. Matching cathedral port cylinder heads. Check. The valves in the cylinder head are actually, they're banked over an extra 15 degrees with a little bit extra lift than the factory valves that I have in my truck. Those should be a pretty good performance boost for my truck. On to the next box. Oh yeah, there's more stuff in here. Who would have thought more boxes, huh? Oh yeah, this must be the variable valve timing delete kit. 1-bolt sprocket for the camshaft. Oh yeah, new timing chain. Oh yes. Look at these parts. How beautiful. Those are some big bolts. And another box. Yep. This guy. Yep, new oil pump. Oh, well, that's the plumbing anyways. Boxes and boxes and boxes. Pump itself. New rocker arms. Look at these bad boys. Those are beautiful. There's the box that exploded on the in the other box. Is this another box in a box? Oh, it's a valley cover. Oh, okay, yeah. Part of the AFM delete kit. You can see on the box what that is. Well, that's one giant pile of truck parts. Not big enough yet. Yeah, let's throw that on there too. Now it's a big pile of truck parts. I got a giant mess in my living room after that unboxing, and more boxes in here. You know, I could have bought a crate engine for the same price as all these parts. I probably could have bought another truck and just taken the engine out of it for all the price of all these parts, but I like a challenge. I've been thinking about this upgrade project for several years now. I've had the truck for 5 years now. In any case, I hope you guys come along for the journey. I'm going to be making a series about the Barbie project, and I hope you enjoy it. If you have feedback, comments, suggestions, anything you think I should be doing differently, don't be afraid to drop a comment down in the comment section below. I do try to respond to everybody's comments. In any case, guys, that's all I got for this video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button. If you didn't, well, you know what to do. Hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed to Nick.tv. Hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy. And until next time, have a good one. Okay, bye. Some more parts, more parts. Those are just bolt kits.